First of all, what is fusion? Fusion reaction is a nuclear process by which nuclei of two light elements fuse to produce a fast, heavier nucleus and an even faster nucleon. Example, a neutron or a proton. There is a small mass difference, say m, between the initial and the final reaction products, which gets converted into energy through Einstein's equation E is equal to mc square. C being the speed of light, this energy comes out in the form of kinetic energy of the product particles and can be converted into electricity by conventional technologies. For such a reaction to occur, the reacting nuclei need to have enough kinetic energy to overcome the repulsive electrostatic barrier between any two of them. For this to happen in laboratory experiments, the reacting particles need to be heated to very high temperatures, more than the temperature at the core of the sun. At such high temperatures, matter remains in plasma state, a collection of charged particles, a deuterium and a tritium nucleus fuse to produce a helium nucleus and a neutron. The reaction produces 76 million electron volts of energy, out of which the helium carries 3.5 million electron volts and the neutron 14.1 million electron volts in a plasma undergoing fusion. The reaction can be self-sustained as a part of kinetic energy of the resulting charge. Helium can be used to maintain the very high temperature required to sustain the fusion reactions. ITER is an experimental fusion reactor facility under construction in Canarac, south of France. To prove the feasibility of nuclear fusion as a future source of energy, ITER will work on the tokamak concept, where the reaction of hydrogen isotopes deuterium and tritium produces energy by the mass energy conversion principle, thereby proving to be a source of unlimited energy. ITER partners are the European Union, China, India, Japan, South Korea, Russia, and the United States of America. European Union being the host party contributes 45% while the rest of the parties contribute 9% each. Most of these contributions are through in-kind procurement of ITER components. India formally joined the ITER project in 2005 and the ITER agreement between the partners was signed in 2006. ITER organization IO is a central team responsible for construction at site and operation, while the ITER partners created their own domestic agencies to deliver their components to ITER. ITER India is the Indian Domestic Agency, a specially empowered project of the Institute for Plasma Research, an aided organization under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. ITER India is responsible for delivery of the following ITER packages: Cryostat involves shielding, cooling water system, cryogenic system, ion cyclotron RF heating system, electron cyclotron RF heating system, diagnostic neural beam system, power supplies and some diagnostic. Additionally, related R&D and experiment activities are being carried out at the ITER India laboratory in Gandhinagar, Gujarat.